Hi, I'm Jules, a speech pathologist. This is a lovely visual I like to use for preschools and childcares where a child may be having difficulty transitioning or understanding what's going to happen next, maybe showing some behaviors, or just when you can observe that a child is feeling overwhelmed, you might see some tears, they might be moving away. Incorporate visuals, use these and consistently. So not just once, but consistently use them. Please don't ever force children to touch or use the visuals if they're not comfortable already. This is something that you can do as an adult, and showing them the guide of how we can structure activities and the day and transition. So always things that they enjoy, and or things that kind of need to happen, like nap time or rest time. If they don't like to do rest time, you can offer an alternative like quiet play if they like to sit in a soft play area and have quiet time. So once the activity's finished, we signal it's finished, it's time to end, we're actually going to move to something else. You can take it off, pop it in a little finish box, which looks like this, but is a box, or you can just, if you have blue tack, you can stick it there, or another Velcro strip, and then move to the next activity. This helps children understand what's happening now, what's happening next, and can relieve a lot of those questions that go on, and any anxieties that a child might have, and you move through the activities there. Also, children can choose what they like to play next, so getting them involved, making sure that they're aware that this is there to help them and help you, and is a really useful tool that we use in speech. And I hope you found this helpful. Leave me any questions or comments, and I'll do my best to do another video. Take care.